everyone. My name is Janvi Tushar Ghate.
And my name is Tanvi Tushar Ghate.
After a long discussion, we decided our channel name as Food Travel and Recipes. In this, I'll show you many simple recipes in simple ways with my family chefs. I'll upload many recipes which is very helpful for teenagers. I'll introduce myself in short. I'm 13 years old and I study in class 8. My hobbies are to listen music and studying. My most favorite hobby is to cook. I started cooking when I was in class 3. The first recipe that I made was tea. I knew how to make tea, but then I did an experiment on it. I did was kept a utensil on the stove and lit the stove and then roasted tea leaves and sugar for a few seconds and then poured water. It gave the tea a very nice flavor and my Nanaji loved it, and this is why he named it as caramel tea. My teachers are my mummy, my dadi, my nani, my masi and my atte and my aunties. I want to learn new things and I am still exploring it.
My hobbies are cooking and skating.
I cook Indian food, mostly Maharashtrian. I cook continental and Chinese also. I bake many cookies and cakes. My parents are from Vidarbha and you know that Vidarbhians eat a very hot and spicy food. We also eat a lot of spicy food that we love. Being with us, she doesn't eat any spicy food. She only eats non-spicy food. My family is a real foodie. We explore many places in India for food. Do like, share, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular notifications. Thank you.
Thank you.